In today's video, I will walk you through how to check a coin's all-time low on CoinMarketCap. To check a cryptocurrency's all-time low on CoinMarketCap, start by finding the specific coin you want to review. Go to CoinMarketCap and use the search bar at the top right to search for the cryptocurrency. Enter the name of the coin, such as Bitcoin, Cardano, or any other cryptocurrency you want to check. Once you find the coin, select it to open the coin's overview page. On this page, locate the section where the main market information is displayed. Look at the left-hand sidebar or the area just below the main price ticker to find the available market data sections. Next, look for the More Info drop-down or a section labeled Historical Price Information or Price Performance. Select this section to view the historical price details for the coin. Under this section, you will find the all-time high and all-time low information listed. The all-time low section will show the lowest recorded price for the cryptocurrency, along with the exact date and time when that low was recorded. You can also view how much the price has recovered since reaching its all-time low. This information is displayed directly on the coin's detail page, allowing you to check the recorded low price and its related details. To review another cryptocurrency's all-time low, use the search bar again and select the new coin you want to check. Repeat the same process by locating the market data section, opening the historical price information or price performance section, and checking the all-time low details. The all-time low information will continue to show the recorded lowest price, the date and time it occurred, and the price recovery amount since that point. By following these steps, you can quickly check the all-time low for any available cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching.